Is your Sony TV giving you a blank stare with just a black screen? Don't panic, because in the next minute and a half, we're going to troubleshoot this together and hopefully get your TV back in action. First, let's tackle the obvious, but crucial step: make sure your Sony TV is actually plugged into a working outlet. Test the outlet with another device to confirm it's supplying power. Then, check the power cord at the back of your TV. Ensure it's securely connected. Once you're sure it has power, try manually pressing the power button on the TV itself, not just the remote, to rule out a remote issue. Next, let's investigate the input source. Sometimes, a black screen simply means your TV is on the wrong input. Press the input or source button on your remote to cycle through all the available inputs: HDMI 1, HDMI 2, component, etc., until you see a picture. If you recently connected a new device, make sure the cable is securely plugged into both the device and the TV. If changing inputs doesn't work, let's try a soft reset and plug your Sony TV from the power outlet for a full minute. This allows the TV to completely discharge and clear any temporary software glitches. After a minute, plug it back in and power it on. This simple trick often resolves minor software issues causing the black screen. If the black screen persists, it might be due to outdated software. If you can access the TV menu even with a faint picture, navigate to the settings menu and look for the system update or software update option if an update is available. Install it. Keeping your TV's software current can prevent and fix various issues. Hopefully, one of these steps has brought your Sony TV back to life. If not, and the black screen continues, it might indicate a more serious hardware problem, like a faulty backlight or internal component. In that case, it's best to contact Sony support or a qualified TV repair technician to avoid any further damage.